All right, so sorry for the wind. I guess it'll be a good test for this new microphone we're using. We got two new things for the channel. We just picked up this trailer not long ago. We have used it to go get a couple channel projects, but this will be the first time I've actually talked about it. So we got this one. It is a 20-foot, 10,000 gross weight drive over fender trailer. So it's ready to go. It does sit up higher. It doesn't have the dovetail. One of the reasons with the previous trailer we had, the dovetail was always dragging on bottom, just dragging roads. Our roads are not, we live in the mountains, so it didn't work the best for us. The other issue was the fenders, the deck kind of sat down low, which gave it a nice towing center of gravity, low center of gravity, but we couldn't get doors open without taking the fenders off. So that's where this one's a little better. It is higher. The fenders, you can drive over it, and we can open up the doors, and I could actually load a dually on it because it's a full width trailer. The other one wasn't a full width trailer, so you can see. And it's got fairly short ramps, which work fine if the vehicle's running. And then we went and picked up some used, looks like homemade ramps that we got off of Marketplace to kind of give it a longer ramp profile. So you'll actually be seeing those. We're going to take this off to go get another channel project. It's actually going to be my son's car. And then the second thing that we picked up for the channel, we just got it last night. We're going to get it set up so we can go get this project because it does not run. We got a new Badlands Apex 12,000 pound winch. This is the one we had before. This is the brand. This was just a cheap one. I think I paid about $230 on it a couple of years back, and it's starting to fail. It's just not reliable anymore. Sometimes it'll winch, sometimes it doesn't. My daughter and I went through and checked all the wiring. This thing wants to work sometimes, doesn't want to work. The wireless or the cord doesn't work anymore. So we just need something reliable. So this is going to be the channel's winch to go get projects. So right now we're gonna take the winch and put it inside this cradle, because for the time being we have it set up. We're gonna put it in there. I'll pull the spare tire off and winch it up. It's not ideal. Once we get the vehicle on here, then we'll take that adapter out and hook the trailer directly to the truck. So we won't haul a load with that hitch set up. We'll just kind of give you an idea. Our plan is to move the spare tire carrier out to the side and actually get a second one. So it'll have two spare tires. I want to mount the hitch or the receiver up on the tongue here and have it go straight down the middle of the trailer. And then also want to mount a box here to contain the straps. So haven't got a video done yet because as you can see, we're actually getting ready to paint the house. So we've been busy getting the house ready, doing tiling, getting ready to paint. So, but today we're all hooked up to the F-350 to go get a project. So stay tuned. Straighten them out. Okay, start turning. Harder. There you go. Pretty hard left. Good. Faster a little bit. Faster. That's good.
strap her down.
Sorry, sweetie.
You're good.
Yeah. Alright, now you can text mom and say we just gotta strap it down.
Alright.
Alright, so Keen's got put that hose back on, tighten down the hose clamp, and we filled the engine with water. We don't have to worry about freezing right now, and this is mainly, he's wanting to do a combustion gas test on it to see if we can verify that the head gaskets are blown or what the deal is. So he's gonna go ahead and start it. How much fuel is in it? Second time around. Don't hear a ticket. Keep an eye on it. Pressure is good. bad. I don't think we need to do the test. What do you think?
Yeah.
You want to do it still?
No.
I can go get the kit.
No, I don't think so.
You're seeing that much bubbles coming out of it. That's a lot for anything. Cap separate. Well, I think just by that, you can say that there's a big gasket issue. Alright. There's more coming out. That's a ticker. Passenger side. Hear that tick on that side? Well, here's his two Discovery 2 project vehicles that my son picked up. This one here, the tan one, is a 2003 Discovery 2 SE. It's just the 5-seater, doesn't have the third row seat. This engine runs, but the front drive line failed and put a hole in the transmission.
We're underneath the Disco 2. And as you can see here, there's the axle, part of the driveline, and the other part of the driveline. Must have sheared right off. Right now the transfer case is in neutral. Wow. Lots of oil all over the transmission. Let's see. It's a nice sized dent in the oil pan. Let's see, what is that? I think that is a crack in the transmission. Oh yeah, it's cracked here, here. Let's see if I can flip this for you guys. She's busted up pretty darn good.
And then all the fluid came out of the transmission. So we're missing a drive line and a big hole in the transmission. So that's what he's got to do to fix that. He actually bought, was thinking about building one vehicle out of two, but now he's considering selling one after fixing it, flipping it and selling it to pay for this build. So this one here is a 2003, and we believe it's got a 2 or 3 inch terra firma lift. We haven't narrowed it down exactly. Again, we just picked these up. This just rolled off the trailer. It's in okay shape. He's going to detail the inside. We got clear coat peeling. He's got some plans to play with that, but nothing too bad. This is going to be his project. Doesn't look like it has the lever. It was a factory option, I think, in 2003 or 4 for the center diff lock. So he's going to look into that. But he wants to build this into an off-roader, so he can use his LR3 as a daily driver. So tires are fairly new. They're more like a snow tire. And then this one here, this is blue one. This is a 2002. So it has the 4-liter V8. The 2003 has the 4.6 liter V8. So Same block. I think they just increased the displacement on it. This one here, it runs, but the head gasket is blown, and we'll show a video of that. But again, we're not sure if it dropped a liner. That's another issue with these Discoveries. So he's gonna pull it apart, pull the intake off, get the heads off, and see if the liners are all good. We'll go ahead and put head gaskets on there, and he can have it running. Now it did come with a ARB bumper, no winch or anything installed. So he's thinking he's gonna sell the blue one and keep the brown one. So he's gonna take this bumper and put it on the tan one. We'll repaint the bumper for that one. He paid $300 for this one. Or no, I'm sorry, he paid $400 for it. But if you notice, the luggage rack that came with it is no longer on it. He sold it for $100 fairly quick. So technically he's got $300 into this vehicle. So pretty good deal. This one, as it sits here, we picked it up for $500. So we've already priced out a transmission. I think we can pick one up for about $1,300 at a junkyard. Just a quick search, just so we had an idea. But he's going to look at some options. Obviously, we don't know what's going to involve in that. We may need to buy a whole new engine if the liner's dropped, but we wouldn't buy. It'd be a used engine, but not a big deal. We'll get it one way or another. But he's pretty excited about building he likes the extended roof rails on this one. It looks better. But yeah, they're both in fairly decent shape. No rust. I believe they're both Nevada vehicles, so that's good. And so stay tuned. This is what my son's going to be working on, his projects. He bought them with his own money. Everything he's going to do is going to be out of his. So stay tuned. We're going to do all the repairs and services on this channel, and so we'll add Discovery 2's to our fleet of vehicles. So I think it'll be quite interesting to see where he goes with it. He really enjoys them. He's actually was talking about having a Discovery 2, and then that one popped up first. He went and picked it up, got a good deal on it, and then this one came up, and we were thinking of a parts vehicle. And then once he saw the condition of it and the setup, he's going to decide to build this one and flip that one. So pretty cool. But that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to give you guys an update on 2 new projects. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.